Sure. Yeah, thank you. Just as part of the service delivery from the ministry, we try and once grants have been given to various recipients, we try and either meet them before they get the equipment, or try and meet them after, just to just understand how the impactful the investment is, and then try and continue to look at areas or avenues where we can assist. So today was very interesting. We started off in a village in Raketi, and to just assist with a cooperative led by women members, and just helping them with some stock inventory. And they are clearly very motivated to make a good go of the project, and there's certainly other areas where the government can assist. And so the conversation today, as you can see in the Valenisongo, was about not only the cooperative project but other things that can be done to just empower the rural economy a lot more. They have a lot of forests in that area, so carbon trading is an opportunity. A lot more forest, growing a lot more good forest trees like aga wood. I think they're doing pine. So it's very interesting. So we'll go back and it's part of just trying to broaden out the economy and allow sort of the rural economy to grow as well. Then we visited Sianganga, which was it's always good to visit the cane farms and get a clear picture of what they're doing. It's already clear that a lot of them are doing diversification. They're not only planting sugar; they're planting other crops. So, which is good because the government's looking at the future of the sugar industry and how we can work together to continue to make the farming profitable for the farmers. Yeah, and then obviously you can see that investment is starting to move to the north. The Chinese developer who's developing out past Lambasa town and overseeing Mali and Malau, a very beautiful site. And some good ideas around high-end development. And then this warehouse development here, which will have about 30 lots. So there's an opportunity for more big companies in Fiji, in Vitilevu, to come and stage centers here. And it sits well with what the government is trying to do in the north. We have 260 million, the World Bank loan that's assigned to develop the northern region. And apart from that, you've got other significant things happening in Savu, Naui development and other investments in Taveuni as well. So the north is clearly going to continue to grow as well. The economy will be transformed over the next few years because you're starting to see more high-end investment in the north. So that's very exciting. So overall, today's been very positive. From the government perspective, this is exactly what we have been trying to do: broaden out the economy, make sure the rural economy is participating in the economy generally, and then you can see that there are both local investors and offshore investors coming to the north, which is very positive.